are cute, aren't they? But if you started to look like one, then hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to Simran Nick channel with a brand new episode with me, Simran. I hope you all are doing good. And today's video will be all about our panda eyes. I'll share the best ways with you all to treat or remove dark circles, which you'll have to repeat every night to see better results in 7 days. Why night? That's because whatever you apply on your skin penetrates amazingly at night. And don't forget to drink a lot of water as well as having a good 8-hour sleep is very important. And eat a lot of dark chocolate. So without wasting time, let's get into our video. Firstly, remove all your makeup. Then, we'll start with our first step, which is cleansing. For that, we'll take cotton pad and draw milk and soak it accordingly. After that, clean your under eye area with it properly. Milk is a great source of vitamins, minerals and other nutrients, which help with lightening dark circles and restore healthy skin. Milk contains vitamin B12 that help lightening the dark skin under the eyes. Vitamin A and B6 in milk help with new skin cells growth that further lighten the dark circles over time. Now, take another cotton pad and clean your under eye area with gentle pressure. Our step 2 is under eye pack. For that, we'll take 1 tablespoon of besan, which I already have in this pannikin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 capsule of vitamin E, 1 teaspoon of potato juice, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Now use your fingers and mix them well. Besan or gram flour contains antioxidant that reduce discoloration around the eyes. Turmeric has lot of benefits and uses, and one of them is reducing dark circles. Turmeric can effectively remove dark circles due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Powerful antioxidant properties make vitamin E oil effective in fighting off free radicals and reducing UV damage while softening the appearance of hyperpigmentation and wrinkles around the under eye area. Potato is wonder ingredient. It has natural bleaching properties which help in reducing one's dark circles and improving skin complexion. Yogurt works as a natural bleaching agent that helps in lightening the skin tone. Lactic acid present in yogurt for dark circles exfoliates skin and removes dead cells and impurities to give it a natural glow. Now, wait for it to dry. Now, for cleaning, wet your fingers and with gentle pressure remove your under eye pack and then wash it off with cold water. Now for under eye serum, which is our third step, we'll take aloe vera gel with 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Again, use your fingers and mix them well. And apply it under your eyes and massage it for a while. Dark circles treatment with aloe vera is well known to all. Aloe vera is packed with active nutrients, it contains minerals, vitamins, and amino acid. Not only does rose water rejuvenate the skin, but also has lightening qualities. Hence, it can be a great way of removing the dark circles. As a powerful natural and gentle anti-inflammatory, coconut oil is an effective method for lightening dark circles. It also moisturizes while it lightens to help prevent wrinkles and fine lines under the eye.
This was a quick remedy for
After
treating
this,
your
you
dark
can
circles.
continue
And
with your
if you
night
like this
routine.
video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as turn on the post notification. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.